Now you've successfully created your first live event, and now it's time to get the word out there that your event is happening. And in this part, we're going to talk about event promotion. First thing to remember is that Kurkuma, the stream with Kurkuma on your website is only visible through the specially generated link that we saw in the previous chapter. So make sure to share that link to people everywhere, and I mean everywhere. So treat this like some sort of a campaign. This is your marketing campaign. You need to get it out there that your event is happening. One of the best ways that we recommend is using all your social media, so Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, whatever vibes the best with your customers. Make sure to share that link, the customer link, quite some time in advance. Share it a week before, share it 5 days before, share it on the day. So as much as you can, so people know that it's happening and they know to put it in their calendar. Also, a really cool thing to do is maybe create a banner on your website that tells people that the event is happening at this and that time. Also, we had a lot of success with newsletters, so in case you collect emails of your customers and they do want newsletters, make sure to mention it in those. Keep in mind that we spoke about it in the previous chapter, there are 2 different links, so do not share the streamer link with your customers and viewers. Make sure to share the right link, otherwise it could be a bit silly. And the last thing I would like to say, the viewer link that you share is available for everyone, okay, without the need to RSVP or sign up. So even your customers can share that link with other people, and that can get more traction for you. Thank you.